What is going on YouTube? Well, as you can see, we've got something to shop today from Kershaw, but it's not a knife. I know, right? Kind of cool. So stay tuned right after we roll that intro. Well, roll that intro, and we're going to get right into this guy. Okay guys, as you saw by that intro, we're going to take a look at the TX, like Tango X-Ray tool. Now, if you've got knives, which obviously if you're watching this video, you do, or watch my channel, you know we do, there's going to come a point where you're going to need to do maintenance on your blades. It's something no one really loves to do, but you got to do it because you put the time and investment in to get a quality blade. You don't want to gum it up with dirt, hair, peanut butter, dog hair, leaves, rocks, whatever. You want your blade to function at peak performance every single time you flip it open, or you deploy it, or you got to do whatever. Now, every single blade, now granted, this is just a very cheap Ozark Trail $5, blade. Every single blade basically has screws set in at the pivot screw and screws set along the scales. That way it anchors everything in place. Most of them, I'm not sure if you can see that too well, those are little torque screws. I have yet to really find a blade that has, Phillips head or flathead. Now there may be, I've seen recently on a Gerber blade that we're going to bring to the channel, there's a bit of torque with a flathead indent, flathead indent in there. God, guys, I'm sorry, I'm tongue-tied. But you can't really use Phillips head or flathead to get these little guys out. Now, what I thought was cool is Kershaw came up with a solution. Now, if you don't have, carrying your toolbox with you, well, they've got a little everyday carry option. And that's this, the little TX tool. Now, it comes with, 5 little bits that stores up here in the handle. You've got, well, I'm not sure if I'm showing them off right yet, so hold on. I know with the light it's a bit of a bear. There are no specific order at this point. You've got a flathead that Kershaw says is perfect for their Emerson collaboration products. You've got a number 2 Phillips. You have a T6, a T8, and a T10. Now, those torque bits should work pretty much on every single blade out there. I know there's going to be those exceptions and whatnot, but we work through them as best we can. It's held in place by a little magnet. And in theory, if you got the right one, you can just get in there and you undo it. Open up your blade, do your maintenance, put your blade back together. Now, I love how Kershaw says these will work perfectly with all of their blades. Well, every time someone says it's going to work perfect, the Murphy's Law part of my ex-military brain goes, you're screwed. And I'll tell you why. As some of you know, we brought the Septimo to our channel. I'm going to leave a card up here. It's part of the CRKT's Forged in War series. And the blade on that one, pretty much kind of like this little guy, sitting there riding on a rail. So I was like, I got to get this thing adjusted. It picked up a little bit of blade play after some, how should we say, rigorous use after about a year's worth of beating on it. And I'm like, I hadn't done any maintenance on it. I'm an idiot. I got to get it done. So, where is it? That one didn't fit. That one got in there and turned a bit for the pivot screw and promptly stripped it out. So, I know there's other ones out there. And, I'm not saying this one's going to be perfect for every single person. And, oh yeah, storage, just drop them right in. Oops. Now, I will say, other things that I've seen, sometimes they will get stuck, so just a little, that should get it out. But like I was saying, this could, work perfectly on every Kershaw, but I had a bad experience on a CRKT, so I've had to order, a pivot screw male and female and some washers to get that thing fixed. But, it's not bad for the price I paid for it. I know some people hate it. I know some people use other products. This is my first one of these little portable torque drivers that I brought to the channel. Yeah, it sounds like I'm rambling, because I got to tell you honestly, I'm not really sure what I can tell you other than it's like 1.1 ounces and the length is about 4.8 inches, and it's got like an aircraft grade aluminum handle. All right. Now, I took a look on Amazon, and that's where I bought this from. And what killed me is we also saw it out there on Kershaw's website, of course. The price on Amazon was $6.79. I honestly ended up paying more in shipping than I did for the torque driver. Over on Kershaw, it's $10.99. Now, we also took a look at the ratings. Over on Amazon, it's got 4.1 stars out of 5. And this is what got me 173 reviews. And they're all over the spectrum. Okay, everything from got the bit in, twisted it, and bam, the bit broke, to got in, twisted it, stripped out the screw, which that one wasn't mine, but I may leave something like that. Over on Kershaw, it's got a 4 out of 5 star rating, and it's only had 2 reviews. But you know what, guys? This is my quick look at a tool that can help you with knife maintenance. The Kershaw TX Tool. Don't ask me what the TX stands for other than maybe torque. But I'd like to know what you think. Questions, comments, hatred, love, whatever, down below like usual. This is my first review of a tool, so it's only going to get better from here. If you're a first-time viewer of the channel, and yes, guys, we're doing the usual stuff we do at the end of the video, you're going to see a little symbol popping up down below. Please go ahead and click on that, and that's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you click on subscribe, please click on that bell icon. That's going to notify you every single time we upload a video. Now, before we get to the usual part, for you first-time viewers, I want to thank you so much for tuning in for this video. I know it's a rather unique one for you to see, and I'm very flattered and honored that you chose my channel to take a view on. I know there's many options out there, so thank you for, choosing mine. Now, as far as the videos, as everyone knows, 2 are going to pop up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. A very quick look at the Kershaw TX Tool. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have an incredible day.